Hey, time for Fit Food Fast with Charlene Prokop, the fitness chef. It's the week of Christmas, and Charlene is looking quite festive. I don't know if you're making out her pants because the pants is all Christmassy.
It's actually a bodysuit, Joel. See?
Oh, it goes all the way up,
Yes.
up there?
Yes. Have to be a little decent for cameras.
So, right. So you couldn't, yeah. But what do you wear? You wear that to do what?
Gym.
You work out in that?
Yes.
All right. What are you cooking for us today?
All right.
Is this a Christmas meal?
Yeah, today we're going to be doing a saffron-infused couscous with cranberries and raisin. It's really, really simple. No cooking needed. Just bacon for 15 minutes and that's it. So while I cut my bell peppers, you're going to make the couscous, of course.
Couscous is a grain or a pasta?
It's actually both. It's a pasta into a grain. So you know, they grind it down, make it fine.
Right.
Right, and that's basically that. So some people say it's a grain and some people could say it's pasta, but it's actually both.
And you don't need to boil it?
No, you don't need to boil it. It's basically steaming.
Right.
And it's whole wheat pasta. I'm using it so you can get it at any grocery store.
Oh, this whole wheat?
Yeah, it's whole wheat pasta. High in fiber, has protein, very, very low in fat.
All right. What am I doing?
So first of couscous, we're going to add our saffron, because I'm doing a saffron-infused couscous.
All right, so add all the saffron?
Add all the saffron while I cut my bell peppers.
What's this here?
Then we're going to add some paprika. You know, I like my food a little spicy. You know, I like to add a little spice.
Add all the paprika?
Yeah, add all. Because couscous has no flavor at all. So you want to, yeah, it has no flavor. It's very bland. So you want to bring out some flavors into it. And I'm going to add some basil.
Basil?
Yeah.
Ground.
You can add rosemary. You can add parsley if you want.
Yeah. So you can season up the however you like. Continue here.
Right. To this I'm going to add some no dash seasoning.
Okay.
And no salt seasoning.
Real healthy, yeah. So you don't cook with much salt, Charlie?
No salt at all. I use garlic salt sometimes.
Okay.
But no salt.
But no salt.
Yeah.
And I hardly see you using pepper as well, like black pepper.
No pack seasoning. I rather use basil, parsley, you know, garlic salt, onion salt.
Right.
Yeah, stay away from the things that has high sodium content.
Right.
Right. Now we're gonna add the raisins and cranberry after. We need a fork and we're gonna add some water. Right. Basically, to cook the couscous, it needs to be steamed. Right. So you're just gonna mix this up a little bit.
Mix?
Yeah.
Right, so all that flavor, I suppose, will get into it.
Yes, it's going to go into it.
And this is how you cook couscous?
And that's how you cook couscous. You can even do it in the microwave. 3 minutes and finish. We're going to cover it with a piece of foil so that it can steam.
And just leave it there, let it do its thing?
Just leave it there for a few minutes, and that's it. All right, to my bell peppers, I'm going to add some coconut oil over it.
Yeah.
So now again, you can get the coconut oil at Body Glow. It's very, very healthy.
Did you get that suited Body Glow as well?
Yes, I did.
So
they have clothes, they have ingredients, they have supplements, they have everything.
Right, number one fitness.
Number one, yes.
Yes.
Right. Our couscous only takes like about 5-10 minutes, not even so long, about 3 minutes for the most. So to our couscous, we're going to add our raisins and cranberries now.
So add it to this now. Cranberries?
Cranberries, of course, need a little sweetness.
Right.
And some more sweetness, we're going to add some golden raisins. Now, a different way you can make couscous as well, since it's Christmas week, you could draw your sorrel leaves and use the hot sorrel boiling water to add to the couscous, and it's going to get a nice little red flavor. It's going to get sorrel flavor in it. You know, but this week I just use saffron.
Right, but instead of the saffron, you could use that boiled
sorrel water.
Nice. And it will get all red, it'll take on. Nice, yeah.
And basically does it.
This couscous is like ready to eat here now?
Yeah, ready to eat.
So I can actually...
Now you can eat this with chicken, fish, any type of veggies. Yes, it goes well with anything. So now to our couscous, we're going to stuff our bell peppers.
Let me take this from you.
Now, another thing you can do is you can boil some lentils and add it to our mixture.
Right.
So you can have couscous and lentils. I mean, this is a really nice vegetarian dish.
Yeah.
And basically that's it.
And that's it.
We're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese.
Some cheddar would go good on that too.
No, Parmesan.
No?
Yeah.
With the cheddar,
I don't nice salt
cheddar.
because we didn't add salt to the recipe.
I will grated cheddar.
Then we're going to add. You're going to put this back in the oven as well, yeah. And basically that's it.
And bake for how long?
15 minutes.
Bakes for 15 minutes.
Yes.
And then you get this.
Yes.
Wow,
Very easy, no cooking, very healthy.
Serious. Just like that.
Yep.
Can I get a fork to taste? And the bell pepper is, you literally can dive into the bell
Yes,
pepper.
you can eat the bell pepper. It's actually sweet
Yeah.
when you roast it in the oven with coconut oil. And you can use yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, any color is fine.
Yeah.
Like the crunch of the bell peppers. Nice.
And again, the sweetness of the raisins and the cranberry coming through as well. This is a really healthy meal.
Yeah, so you could do this for Christmas and...
It's a nice piece of pork.
Or chicken breast. Chicken breast. Yes.
That's what she's here for, guys. Every Tuesday, Fit Food Fast. She does Fit Food Fast. Charlene Prokop. Another meal, you can get the recipe on our website. Just check out TriniCooks.com. All Charlene's recipes are right there, and you can get the recipes there. This one is called saffron rice.
Saffron infused couscous stuffed in bell peppers with cranberries and raisins and spices.
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you very much.
You're
Merry
welcome.
Christmas. Charlene Prokop is joining us every Tuesday here on the show. It's time to get fit in 15. We got to work out before we eat all the healthy stuff and the other stuff that we will eat over the holidays. Yeah. Stay with us, folks. Join us. Fit Food Fast by Charlene Prokop, brought to you by the folks at Body Glow. And we will be right back. Fit in 15 next.